Welcome to 8x Income, a platform dedicated to helping you learn to earn. We are thrilled to have you here with us, and we hope you'll find our content informative, engaging, and inspiring.
I just created this video in 2 minutes, and this is how. Open ElevenLabs in your browser, and after creating an account here, click on the speech synthesis option. It will open an AI-based voice recording studio for you, where you can select the AI voice of your own desired character along with some advanced features such as stability and sentence clarity. Now let's paste our video script here and click Generate button, which will start processing our AI audio script. Then let's download it. Step 2. Open DID in your browser, and after logging in your details, click the Create Video button on left pane, which will open our AI video editor, where we have multiple talking avatars available, or we can upload our own static picture. And let's upload an image. Next, on right pane, we have multiple options such as language, AI voices, etc. to record voices, but we will prefer our pre-recorded audio due to its more stability feature. Let's upload our previously recorded audio file. Once the avatar and audio are ready, then click on Generate button, and it will generate our AI-based talking avatar, which is now able to speak our video scripts.
So like, share, comment, and subscribe for more exciting videos.
In this next video, we will discuss about how to create our AI animations, so please subscribe our channel for more videos.